This is Audible.
Penguin Random House Audio presents I Hate You, Don't Leave Me, 3rd edition. Understanding the Borderline Personality by Gerald J. Kreisman, M.D. and Hal Strauss. Read for you by Kevin R. Free. Note to listeners, this audiobook includes a downloadable PDF of resources from the book. As all things, even still, for duty. Preface. It is a most gratifying task to develop this 3rd edition of I Hate You, Don't Leave Me, Understanding the Borderline Personality. We are humbled that our book, after more than 30 years and translation into 10 languages, remains an important resource across the globe for both general and professional audiences and solicits this major revision. In the 10 years since our last revision, there have been significant advances in the neurobiological, physiological, and genetic fields. Refinements in developmental theories and treatment approaches have emerged. For the professional audience, we have preserved the classical reference materials, supplementing them with the most up-to-date references and resources right up to the point of our writing deadline. For the general audience, we have again attempted to describe complex scientific and theoretical constructs in listener-friendly terms. Toward that end, we have inserted many more case studies and patient examples to better illustrate concepts. I Hate You, Don't Leave Me first emerged out of the primary author's frustration as a clinician over the lack of organized information for the general public and for many professionals about a disorder that was either mostly unknown or terribly misunderstood. We would like to think that, as the first popular book on the subject of BPD, it helped bring the disorder out of the shadows. Our 2nd edition, 20 years later, emphasized the increasing research and treatment approaches and the recognition that borderline personality disorder was not a hopeless disease, but one with a favorable prognosis. Since then, the professional literature on BPD has burgeoned. Awareness in the general public has also greatly increased. Those experiencing the disorder have been more forthcoming about their experiences, including several in the public spotlight. Even the title of this book was used as the title of a Demi Lovato song that many of her fans interpreted as a song about a person struggling with BPD. Unfortunately, the stigma associated with mental illness in general and with borderline personality disorder in particular remains strong. Media portrayals of BPD are mostly of disturbed, reckless people, usually women. The optimistic prognosis of the disorder is largely unrecognized, and research in this area remains inadequate compared to that dedicated to other less common illnesses. It is our hope that this iteration of our book will contribute to less aversion to and a greater understanding of all mental illness. Gerald J. Kreisman, M.D. Hal Strauss. A note to the listener. In previous editions of this book, we have begged readers' indulgence in referring to individuals with BPD using the term the borderline as a less burdensome, reader-friendly reference than the more accurate designation of an individual who exhibits signs and symptoms consistent with the formal diagnosis of borderline personality disorder. We've been concerned that this shorthand reference reduces a person to a stigmatizing label. In this revision, we have attempted to avoid this unsatisfying term by converting the noun to an adjective, by using less agile designations such as borderline individual or person with BPD, though the latter phrase implies company with an uninvited guest. We considered using an individual who has borderline personality, but even this term implies the gripping custody of an unwelcome possession. We are content with none of these designations, but have been unable to conjure suitable replacements. Despite our failure to develop more satisfying nomenclature, we wish to emphasize our respect for those suffering with BPD, our sensitivity for those who care about them, and the need for greater understanding of all who struggle for mental wellness. Chapter 1. The World of Borderline Personality